Yes, guys, so I think so now I should have a walk with you guys. So let's start. Let's go. So guys, as you have seen, I have covered so much area over here, and see my legs. Oh my god, it's all freezed. It's all freezed. I can't tell you. Oh my god, it's so cold. See? Ah, mama. Ashoka. You know, last year they were at this much. This much height they were having last year, and now it's so much. It's a tulsi over here. It's the tulsi which I grow, but actually due to wind pressure, I think so, or due to the heaviness, it's just bended. This one is fine. I planted this one also. Wow. See, this is Rati Rani about which I was talking. It's giving pleasant smell right now also. Oh my god, it's really pleasant smell. It's really having nice smell. Ah. We have planted so many because we like it. Oh my god, see, there's a hibiscus over here, over there, and one more over there, and there are going to be 1, 2, maximum 3 to 4 more today. So guys, I have done my walk now, and my legs are all freezed. All are freezing. See, there are so many designs over there in the grass. The places where I went, there are so many designs. Let me zoom in. See, over there, yeah. Can you see this plant, big plant? It also have white flowers and it have red, no, not red, it's orange stem over there on that plant, on the flower. So guys, now I should go in. I'll have my breakfast now and we'll meet you after the breakfast. So bye. Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel. So the thing is, I'm sorry, yesterday we didn't finish the vlog properly because there was some guest at our house, so we were not having so much time that we can finish it properly. So I think so I should start the vlog today in the morning because I'm having a holiday today. But before it, I need to show you a very interesting thing. Let me show it to you. Good evening, guys. The scene is no one is at my house right now. I'm all alone. My brother has went for cycling, mother for a walk, and I don't know where my father has went. So as you can see, I'm outside. See the background? I'm outside right now, sitting idly, having nothing to do. I've done my work, but it's not complete. But I'm bored doing it again and again. So I thought I should have a rest, a break. So I'm over here talking to you guys. Just give us some plans to do. Okay, I would like if someone would comment that what to do in a day when you are bored, except watching dramas, TV, serials, movies, etc. Except playing with the electronic gadgets, something else. Okay, when you're all alone, playing something, doing something. Comment so that I can know what you guys do when you are all alone. Okay. So guys, my neighbors are having a rabbit. Let me show it to you. He's so cute. Maybe you won't be able to see it properly, but I will try to make you see it. So let's see it. So guys, he's over there. Let me zoom in. Are you able to see it? Oh my god, do you know he's so small in video. When I'm seeing, he's being so large. But he's really so small. See? So cute. They're having a dog as well. Her name is Clara. And she's so sweet. She used to come to our house and meet us. This is my garden. Front one from this gate. This is my garden, my house, and then a back garden. Actually, the back one is much bigger in size than the front one. So guys, I'm going to show you that I learned scooty right now. Today, not right now, today. So I'll show you how I'll drive it for first time. Okay, so let's start. So guys, I'm going over there. So see me properly. Okay. So guys, do you like it? Actually, it was just a short video, short part, because I can't drive it in such small ramp, on such small ramp. We will drive when I will be 18, not before it. So the one who is 18 can drive, the one who is not 18 should not drive. So bye.
So guys, now we are going to the shop to buy something, and my sister is there. There she is, guys. There she is going, guys.
So guys, the point is now we are in bed and we are watching Nagin right now, Nagin 5. It's my favorite season, Nagin 5, because of Surbhi and Sharad. So I'm watching it and we are live right now. So the one who wanna join, please join it, because we are live right now, and suggest us at what time and on which date do you want us to be live. And we will be live on that particular date and particular time.
And what should we post in our videos daily?
Yeah, you just comment it so that we can fulfill all your wishes. That's all we want. Okay, so that's all for the day. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. So
and guys, please support us. We need watch hours.
yeah, we need your watch hours, and just we want is your support. So bye.